Okay, I'm shooting this video real quick because I couldn't find anything on YouTube about it. This is the trailer, and it's got the Haldex wiring system on it. If you look in the back, you'll see that there are circuit breakers here. Okay, and that also, because this one's rotted out, this thing should be fastened down to the actual frame itself. So all of my trailer lights were dead, every single one of them. What I found was that there was a wire, which you can see here, that was originally under here, and because it's not grounded properly, you got absolutely no ground wire going to all your lights on the trailer. And it's the white one here that goes into the cord that supplies all the lights. So obviously it hadn't, it wasn't a powered light because it wasn't on the opposite end of the circuit breaker. I had power to my cord, which I checked with my multimeter. I had power here, so that ruled out, coming out of the tractor, so that ruled out anything in the fuse panel inside the truck. So this is a Haldex system. It's on a 2004. Obviously we're gonna need to replace this, but we got to put the sumbitch to work tomorrow. So if you don't have any trailer lights at all, obviously it's not going to be anything such as a left turn signal or circuit breaker or fuse or right turn signal or stoplights. Nothing's working. It's got to be your ground, and this is where I found it. So once again, was that big son of a bitch right there was located up in here. So good luck.